Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my August Petit Vour unboxing. I'm pretty sure this is my last one. I think that my year-long subscription has run out. If I'm wrong, well, I'll be back next month. But if not, I think this is the last one, so I'm hoping it's really good, but we'll crack on in and see. So here's our card. It's a bunch of the word yes and one of the word no. I don't really understand that art, but we are getting 4 products this month, so let's go ahead and just grab them. The first one is from 100% Pure. It's the Bright Eyes Depuff and Brighten Eye Gels. So these are a $7 value. I've had these before. It's not exciting to get them in the box per se, because these have definitely come out in basically every vegan box before. That said, it's not like I'm sleeping great lately. There's a lot going on in our personal lives here in the Coon household, so we'll definitely be using them. I'm not mad about receiving them. I don't think they're a good addition to the box. So the description: hydrating eye gel. I don't know, the word gel was not in there. Hydrating eye masks made with cooling cucumber and natural caffeine to depuff the eye area. Masks are made of 95% organic aloe juice and 5% plant cellulose. So $7 value, not great. Repeat item, not great. Personally, I will be using these. The next item is an item I also already have. This is the 100% Pure Creamy Long Last Eyeliner in the color Blackest. I don't remember what box I got this in, but I definitely already have this eyeliner, so it came in one of my vegan boxes. Kind of weird that there are 2 100% Pure products in the same box. I definitely appreciate brand variability in a box, but let's read the description. So this is a $27 value, which, this is just my opinion, of course. That feels like an incredibly inflated price for a pencil eyeliner, but I digress. This creamy, long-lasting eyeliner pencil glides easily onto lids to line and define your eyes while nourishing skin with jojoba oil. So, also not exciting. When you get a black eyeliner in a box, I don't find it particularly exciting to begin with, because it's just a ho-hum run-of-the-mill item. But the fact that this is one of the higher price items and it's something I already have, also disappointing. So we're not off to a great start with this potentially being my last box. It's kind of stinking. The next item is an item I also already have. I actually am actively using this. This is the lip balm I keep on my nightstand, but this is the Goldfaden MD Solution Lip Therapy Restoring Lip Balm, and I will say I don't like Goldfaden MD products. This is one of the products I actually do like from them, so I'm not mad to have another. I will use this, but once again, it's another product that has seen the rounds on the vegan beauty subscription box circuit, so not the most exciting to receive it. And yeah, this is also going to be one of our expensive products, so it's a repeat. Annoying. This is a $38 value, which also feels exorbitant for a lip balm. I digress again. This antioxidant rich concentrated lip treatment revitalizes your lips with an enriched blend of powerful moisturizers and a multi-active peptide complex, hyaluronic acid, fruit berry wax, borage oil, rose hip seed oil, sea buckthorn oil, and added vitamin E work together to nourish lips, smooth the appearance of fine lines, and instantly hydrate for lips that look softer, feel smoother, and appear fuller. This box is not really doing it for me, so hopefully this last item really is the kicker, but let's find out. I can tell I don't think I've ever received this packaging, so this is one I haven't had, so that's good. It's from True Moringa. This is the Shea and Moringa Balm Moisturizing Balm for Hands and Body. Nice, and it's a 2 ounce, which means I could probably travel with this, which is sweet. So this is a $24 value. Apply a pea-sized amount, a little goes a long way, daily or as needed in smooth circular motions to lock in moisture, delivering intense hydration to dry skin. So let's take a look at it. Ooh, it's a nice like metal, kind of one of those fold down type packages. Very nice. I will definitely be using this as my travel body lotion moving forward because this is a nice good size. I'll definitely be able to get several uses out of that. Okay, well, maybe not the greatest box to end on, but at least I will actually use all of these items, so I guess that's the saving grace. But having received 3 of these items already on the vegan beauty box subscription circuit already, it's kind of disappointing, to be completely honest. And getting one of these feels like a throwaway. This should be like a free sample in theory. Getting a whole box of them should be counted as an item for your box, but they've been doing that, like small value items like perfume samples or whatever. They've been adding in and calling it an item on your list, which is silly. I'm not gonna rate this high, to be completely honest. This is the only thing new to me. I am excited to use it. I already know how I will be using it and I'm pleased, but these aren't bad. They're just things I've seen before. How do I rate this? It's passing, but it's not stellar. It's not the honor roll. I'm gonna give it a C. I'm gonna give it a solid C. Meh, not the greatest box to end on. It is what it is. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I will talk to you guys later. Bye.